In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Bitwarden. Bitwarden is a powerful tool that helps you manage all your passwords in one secure place. Start by heading over to bitwarden.com, where you'll start the exciting journey to enhance your online security. When you arrive, you'll want to click on the Get Started button. Here, the process begins with creating an account. You'll need to sign up using your email address and create a master password. This master password is crucial as it's the key to your digital kingdom. Make it strong, memorable, and never share it with anyone. Next, you'll need to download the Bitwarden browser extension. It's available for all major browsers, including Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge. Choose the one that you use most frequently. Once added, you'll notice a small Bitwarden icon sitting snugly in your browser's toolbar. Click on this icon and log in with the email and master password you just created. With the extension set up, the next step is to populate it with your credentials. Click on the plus symbol to add a new item. Here, you'll need to enter the details of the account you want to save. Start by giving it a name, something as straightforward as Gmail. Then fill in your login email, the password associated with that account, and the website URL, which could be as simple as mail.google.com. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click Save. Your login credentials are now securely stored in your vault. The following part is where the magic happens. When you visit a website like Gmail, click the Bitwarden icon in your browser, and you'll see your saved logins. Select the relevant one, and Bitwarden will autofill your username and password fields. It's an effortless way to log in while ensuring your credentials are always safe. Plus, you can expedite this process further with keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl plus Shift plus L on Windows. Bitwarden isn't just about storing your existing passwords, it's also adept at helping you generate strong, unique ones. Within the Bitwarden extension or app, locate the password generator, customize your settings, decide on the length, include symbols, numbers, and more to craft a robust password when signing up for new accounts. As soon as you've generated and used this password, save it immediately to your vault so it's always at your fingertips. Lastly, Bitwarden offers more features to explore. Use folders or collections to organize your logins efficiently. Enhance your account's security with two-factor authentication, ensuring that only you have access to your vault. If you need to share passwords or notes securely, the Send feature is there for you. And if you desire an even richer array of features, consider upgrading to their premium plan, which provides advanced options like detailed security reports and additional two-factor authentication methods.